Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here. I'm very happy to see you. Welcome to my channel where I am sharing with you tips and tricks for your health and beauty. Each week there is a new video, so make sure you subscribe and put the thumbs up if you like this video, and do say hello in the comments below. In this video, I am talking to you about castor oil and its amazing benefits for your hair. Well, I've known it for a long time, I think since my childhood when I had perfect hair as a kid, because my grandmother, that's what she was doing. She was putting castor oil, you know, like making a massage in my scalp, so my hair was looking so good. And today I want to share with you why it is actually so good and how you could use it to have better looking long hair, if that's your purpose, to grow the hair, right? Castor oil is the oil that has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's rich in vitamin E, minerals, proteins, as well as omega-6 and omega-9 beneficial fatty acids. It is unusually high in ricinoleic acid, which makes it so good for your hair and skin. Now the question is, what does castor oil really do for your hair? So first of all, if you have the purpose of growing your hair long and you're struggling with hair loss, this is the natural remedy to go with. And sometimes I'm very much upset because people really forget about that and, buy more expensive products, which, one of the main ingredients still have castor oil. That mentioned ricinoleic acid increases the circulation to the scalp, and that improves the hair growth. Besides, as I've mentioned already, its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it a perfect remedy for dandruff and any other scalp infections. Ricinoleic acid also helps to do a perfect thing on our scalp and balances the pH. It also helps replenish the scalp's natural oils and also undo some of the damage that's been done after using, those harsh, full of chemicals hair products. Castor oil can make your hair look stronger, shinier, and have really that smooth look because castor oil has antioxidants that support the keratin in hair. Everything I'm saying here has been backed up by numerous studies, and I had to rediscover this oil when I was suffering from postpartum hair loss, and so I have tons of hair which is pretty small, and I don't know what to do with it because they're just starting to regrow. But this is something that will pass, and I will have more hair eventually, so that's actually awesome news. Of course, the next question I want to talk to you about is what type of castor oil to get. There is so many on the market. So the one I'm having here is not an ad, it's just something I'm showing you, hello, I have that castor oil I'm talking about. What you need to look for is the oil that is hexane-free, paraben-free, non-GMO, whatever they actually add, 100% vegan, non-GMO is also great here. So you need to get something that is cold pressed. And also here it's 100% solvent free. Basically this combination is the perfect bet, and the easiest way to use it is just mix it with some other oil like jojoba, I really love that, or coconut oil. So my mask, the one I'm usually doing, I use castor oil straight on my scalp, I massage it, and all my ends I'm using coconut oil. I find it really good, maybe helps to prevent with the split ends, and I have more volume and my hair looks better. And what's really good, the huge advantage during this winter time or heat season when we have those conditioners working, my hair has no frizz, so that's the huge no-no for me. And there's also another type of castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. I haven't used that one, so I usually stick with the basic, but you could also go ahead and check that out because it says it might provide additional benefits to the hair that appear dry and thick, because I find my hair to be more in the oily side and fine in texture, so that's why I'm sticking with the basic one. The amount of times you need to use and apply castor oil on your scalp would be once or twice a week. You could do it more often, but I think don't go crazy with anything, just do it gradually, once or twice a week. Taking off castor oil from your hair might be, as they say, a little bit of a problem, especially if you're using natural shampoos, because this is the oil. So what I find best is that I usually apply it overnight. Well, in this case, you need to be careful, so you cover your pillowcase and so you don't get these things messy. But I think that this oil has a lot of time to work and actually soak into my scalp and hair roots, and it's easier for me to remove it in the next morning. Well, I would say maybe if you could invest in some really good quality natural shampoo out there and use it only for the days when you're removing the castor oil from your hair. You could easily go ahead and do so. You could even put some conditioner on your roots and also massage it, so they will sort of dissolve the oil, so it will make the whole thing easier. I would also say that apple cider vinegar rinse, which you could check on my DIY Beauty Hacks channel, is also perfect after this thing, so you get like the whole treatment. And you know, castor oil is good for hair, but it's not limited to it. Besides, I definitely need to mention here, I have a recipe for a perfect serum for your hair for great hair growth, like boost, also on the DIY Beauty Hacks. So I will definitely share the links to those videos. You could prepare so many good things. It's good for hair growth, right? So you could prepare the natural eyelash serum, and I also have the recipe for that, so don't forget to check that out. And even the eyebrows, you know, if you want to grow your eyebrows, let's say. Do not forget that if you don't have a good diet and you want to apply something on your hair and then want miracle results, that won't happen. You need to make sure that you're properly nourished. So, you know, your hair, your nails usually will figure this out if you're lacking some vitamins. So make sure you do that. And as with any products, make sure you do a little patch test on inner part of your hand because some person might be allergic, but although it's very rare, but I recommend doing that with every single thing because it's easier to do a little patch test and then enjoy the results rather than not. So guys, I really hope this video was informative. If you liked it, if you did, please put a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very happy, very healthy. I wish you to discover more natural remedies for your beauty and health, because this is something that really matters, because it makes you a healthier person, actually. So all the best to you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.